This is a recast of the 4,100-word piece Alan Turing from Snippet AI. This article discusses the life and contributions of Alan Turing to the field of artificial intelligence, AI, including his work on code-breaking during World War II, his proposal of the Turing Test, and his insights into machine learning. It also highlights ethical concerns about AI and Turing's belief in its potential to improve the human condition. Let's listen in.
So, first let's talk about who Alan Turing was. He was a British mathematician and computer scientist who is considered a pioneer in modern computing and AI. He is most well known for his work in cracking the Nazi Enigma code during World War II, which played a crucial role in the Allied victory.
Yes, and Turing's work was not only instrumental in helping to win the war, but it also paved the way for the development of the first computers and AI. He proposed the now famous Turing Test, which assesses a machine's ability to exhibit human-like intelligence in a conversation with a human. This test has been used as a benchmark for AI researchers for many years.
Exactly, and Turing's contributions to computing and AI extended far beyond his work on the Enigma machine. He developed the concept of a universal machine, which can simulate any computer algorithm and is the foundation of modern computing.
Unfortunately, Turing's life was tragically cut short due to persecution by the British government for being homosexual. He ultimately died by suicide at the age of 41.
It's heartbreaking to think about how much more he could have accomplished if he had been allowed to continue his work. But despite this injustice, his groundbreaking work has left a lasting impact on the field of AI.
Absolutely, and speaking of AI, let's talk about what it actually is. AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, and decision-making.
And machine learning, which is a subset of AI, is responsible for the development of algorithms that enable machines to learn from data and improve their performance without direct human intervention.
AI has had a positive impact on various industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation, but there are also concerns about job displacement, ethical issues, and the potential misuse of AI technology.
Right, and the purpose of this essay is to shed light on Alan Turing's life and contributions to the field of AI. His work was pivotal in laying the foundation for what we know today as AI. And it's important to highlight the significance of his contributions and how they have impacted the development of AI.
And it's fascinating to see how his vision for AI has evolved over time and what it means for the future of the field.
Absolutely, Turing's impact on AI is undeniable, and his legacy will continue to shape the field for years to come. One of the most significant contributions Turing made to AI was his proposal of the Turing Test, a measure of machine intelligence's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior that is indistinguishable from a human being. This test involves 3 players, including a human being, a machine, and an evaluator who engages in natural language conversation with both. If the evaluator cannot tell the machine and the human apart, then the machine is considered to have passed the Turing test.
That's right, Theo. However, there have been mixed reviews about the effectiveness of the Turing test. Some scholars criticize it for being a low bar for AI since it only tests a machine's ability to mimic human conversation without considering other aspects of intelligence, such as creativity or problem solving. Others argue that it still holds value as a starting point for advancing AI and developing systems that can effectively communicate with humans.
And the Turing test also raises philosophical questions about consciousness, identity, and the nature of intelligence, and challenges traditional notions of what it means to be human. However, the test's modern-day relevance and advancements are undeniable. As AI progresses and becomes more advanced, the need for a standardized methodology for determining its intelligence becomes more pressing.
The Turing test provides just that, allowing researchers and developers to measure and compare the abilities of different AI systems. In recent years, new approaches and variations on the Turing test have been developed, such as the Lovelace test focusing on AI's ability to create new output, and the reverse Turing test testing a human's ability to differentiate between AI and human-generated responses.
These advancements show the enduring importance of Turing's contributions to the field of AI.
And it's not just about passing a test. Turing recognized that there were some tasks machines could not perform entirely and that they would need to learn from experience, reason, make decisions, and possess some level of consciousness to mimic human intelligence truly.
That's right. Turing realized that machines could not only perform tasks, but also learn and adapt like humans, which is still one of the most significant goals today. However, there's also much debate about the ethical implications and potential dangers of creating machines that could outthink us.
And let's not forget about Turing's personal life, which was tumultuous and wrought with tragedy. After being publicly outed as homosexual, he faced arrest and was forced to undergo chemical castration. He tragically died of cyanide poisoning at the age of 41, with his death officially ruled as suicide. However, in recent years there has been speculation that his death was an accident or the result of intentional poisoning by the British government.
Despite these personal struggles and his untimely death, Turing's legacy has endured. He is widely considered to be the father of modern computing and artificial intelligence, and his contributions to these fields continue to be studied and celebrated.
It's incredible to think about how much Turing accomplished in his short life and how far AI has come since his pioneering work. It's also fascinating to consider how much further AI will advance in the future.
Absolutely. One of the key areas in which Turing made significant contributions was code breaking and cryptanalysis.
That's right. During World War II, Turing utilized his expertise in cryptography to help codebreakers decrypt messages used by enemy forces. He worked on a project called Ultra, which successfully decrypted messages sent using the German military's Enigma machine.
And Turing's contribution to the project was his invention of the Bombi machine, which was capable of cracking Enigma's complex code. The Bombi machine allowed for rapid decryption and provided critical intelligence to the Allies, which contributed to their success in the war.
This work helped establish him as one of the most important figures in the field of cryptography and computing.
And it's not just his work on code breaking that was important. Turing's legacy in both code breaking and computer science continues to be felt to this day, as his contributions to the field have been critical in shaping the modern technological landscape.
In fact, Turing's design for the Bombi, a machine that was capable of decoding messages encrypted by the German military, laid the groundwork for the development of modern electronic computers.
And his insights into the importance of abstraction and formalization in problem-solving influenced the field of artificial intelligence, paving the way for the development of expert systems and other intelligent computer programs.
As Turing worked on creating machines that could think like humans, he ultimately began to contemplate what it meant to be human and how our brains work.
He believed that our brains operated like computers, with a series of logical steps and decision-making processes happening within them.
And because of this, he thought that machines could potentially match or even surpass human intelligence if they were able to replicate these logical processes accurately.
However, Turing also recognized that there were aspects of human thinking that could not be quantified or replicated by machines, such as emotions and creativity.
That's a really important point. It's important to remember that while machines can do a lot of amazing things, there are some things that they just can't do.
Absolutely. In one area where machines are really making a difference is in machine learning.
Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that uses statistical models and algorithms to enable a system to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed.
It allows machines to learn from experience, adapt to new inputs, and perform tasks more efficiently. One of the key benefits of machine learning is its ability to process large volumes of data quickly and accurately, making it valuable in a variety of fields, from finance to healthcare.
And the definition of machine learning is the process by which a computer system learns from experience to improve its performance. It involves the use of algorithms and statistical models to enable the computer to learn patterns in large data sets, and then apply this learning to make predictions or decisions without explicit programming.
The key aspect of machine learning is the ability to improve its performance over time through the provision of feedback to the system.
Machine learning has many applications, including speech recognition, image and video recognition, fraud detection, and recommendation systems.
Yes, and these applications have helped revolutionize industries such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and cybersecurity.
But with this progress comes ethical concerns. As AI becomes more advanced and autonomous, it brings up issues of privacy, employment, and security.
That's right. We have to ensure that we use AI in a way that aligns with our ethical values and promotes the common good of humanity. Turing recognized the potential danger of AI and its potential to harm human beings if not properly managed.
However, Turing also believed that the creation of AI would ultimately improve the human condition by solving complex problems and enabling us to achieve unprecedented progress.
Exactly. Turing's views on AI were complex and multidimensional. He believed that machines could eventually surpass human intelligence, but that this did not necessarily mean they would have consciousness.
His visionary ideas about the future of AI were that machines would be able to mimic human intelligence to a remarkable extent. He had also predicted that machines would be able to pass the Turing test.
The Turing test is a measure of a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior that is indistinguishable from that of a human.
And we're already seeing the effects of this prediction unfolding now with AI being implemented in a variety of industries.
Turing's work on AI paved the way for modern technology and computing, and his contributions continue to shape our world today. He was among the first to propose the idea of creating machines that could think, which revolutionized the field of computer science and led to the development of modern artificial intelligence.
Additionally, Turing's work on algorithms and computing laid the foundation for many of the breakthroughs in modern technology and computer science.
His contributions helped transform the way we view intelligence and the potential of machines.
And as AI continues to develop, it will undoubtedly draw inspiration from Turing's contributions to the field.
Turing recognized the potential of AI and its potential to surpass human intelligence. However, he also believed that AI would never fully replace humans, as human thought and creativity stem from personal experiences and emotions.
He envisioned a future where AI and humans would work together in a complementary manner, with AI serving as a tool to enhance human abilities rather than threatening them.
There is no denying Turing's legacy as a pioneer in the field of AI.
And his perseverance in the face of adversity and his unwavering belief in the possibilities of AI continue to inspire researchers in the field today.